Oh, quiet. You're wondering, like I'm wondering, can you make no knead bread in a Weber grill? I'm curious. You want to try this and see what happens? Let's go. GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. Hi, I'm Eric from GardenFork. I've been making no knead bread, which is right in here, for a bunch of years now. When Jim Leahy came out with it with Mark Bittman, I was an early adopter, and I own way too many of these Dutch ovens now. But the problem is, in the summer, like it is now, do you want to wamp up your oven with dough and cast iron to make bread? And I do, but the problem is then your house, well, it smells beautifully like bread, but it's really hot. So actually, I was laying in bed this morning thinking about outdoor fire and no knead bread. I should probably put the cover on this so I don't get anything in it, right? So I wanted to come up with a way to heat this puppy up in an oven-like atmosphere that was outside so I wouldn't not smoke up the house, heat up the house. I'm being smoked up by this now. So I started this dough last night and I'm thinking, how can I cook this without womping hot, making the house womping hot, you know? And then I thought, charcoal and a Weber grill. What do you think? I don't know. So I got the coals firing up. I'm gonna figure out, well, here's our challenges, okay? We need to preheat this Dutch oven. We already made our dough. Notice the parchment paper. Bunch of videos I have, links at the end, okay? But we need to heat this up, preheat that, drop this in, make this is a small Weber, I know, but I like the smaller one. Make it into an outdoor oven with those puppies right there. So, here we go. Oh, the whole reason I'm making bread today is I'm having some friends over for dinner, and I mean, homemade bread, that's kind of like, that's the gift of life, isn't it? Well, I think it is. It's a gift of bread. Bread with butter, that's a beautiful thing. Maybe a glass of wine. So that's why we're doing it. See what happens. That's hot, because it's a chimney effect. But we're getting close. I want to, basically I can't do anything until those coals are ready. Put them in here, heat up the pot. A little like watching paint dry, watching charcoal heat up. All right, showtime. Hello, cone girl. Preheat the Dutch oven. This is looking a little underwhelming. I am charcoal challenged, let's just say. The charcoal always burns out real quick, so what I'm gonna do, because we still need to bake this thing and preheat it, is I've got some chunk charcoal. I'm gonna fire this up and add this in. I'm not sure when I'm gonna add it in. You will help me in the comments. So we've been warming up for a while, but I have a new tool, laser temperature gizmo. Let's see if the Dutch oven is warm. 324 degrees. So do you think the Dutch oven is hot enough to put the dough in?
Oh yeah, don't you?
Well, let's see what happens. That's GardenFork, right? What did I say? Oh, I haven't said it yet, but embrace failure. That could happen today.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for anything. Thank you. Some viewer whose name I've forgotten sent me these, so thank you.
Super viewer. Did you already explain the brick to them?
The idea of the brick is that it keeps it off the coals, so the coals are creating an oven. It's not womping hot on the bottom of it, so you're not sauteing the dough, you're heating the dough.
There's circulation, is that what you mean?
Yeah. I gotta get this in there, so hold on.
Oh, that looks easy. And you just leave the paper in there?
Parchment paper. It's a great sling to put no knead dough in a Dutch oven. We have a video about that. Link at the end.
Oh, I remember now.
So this goes on. It's okay the parchment is sticking out.
That looks really hot.
Wow, that's hot.
Did it just fall on you?
All right, half hour, 45 minutes maybe? Then we pull the top, let it brown, and then we're done. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is making a burning smell, and that is not good. Let's take a look. Oh, wow! Wow! The bottom might be burnt, but the top looks, ow, that's hot. That, hot. That is really great. All right, so now we're just gonna cover it. Maybe I should move some of the, I'm gonna move some of the coals away from the bottom, and maybe it's too late for that. I don't think I needed the extra coals. See, I don't want the coals to touch the Dutch oven itself, but that, I can't put my head too close to that, but that is great. All right. That was about 25 minutes. I just had this feeling I should open it early, so. Now we'll wait, what, 10, 15? Toast the top. By the way, we have a podcast. If you want more GardenFork, just go to your podcast app, type in GardenFork Radio, more me. It smells burnt. Oh, look at that though.
Wow. Ooh, you see me. Ooh, that looks great.
It's 302 at the top of that thing. Ow, that's hot.
All right. Ooh, smells crispy. Oh, look at the bottom.
Oh yeah, it's burnt. No, I've got some ideas. We're gonna do this again. I got some ideas. You let me know your ideas in the comments there. Meanwhile, let's continue our time together. There'll be videos right here. More No Knead Bread, more Eric doing cool stuff. I mean, failure happens. We learn from failure. I'm learning right now that this is really hot in my hands.